Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to your fifth Ratchet tutorial. In this tutorial, we will try to use icons instead of images. In the past tutorial, we used an image, which is called Nikki, and this is what we ended up with. This time around, we'll try to use an icon instead of an image. So right here, to use an icon, all we have to do is in the next one, right underneath here, I'm going to put this in a p tag, and then of course, and then as usual, div, and call it a media body class, media body. This I'm just repeating what we did before. Then right here we're going to have a span. If we want to use icons, okay, inside the span we have, it's a media object in the class media object, and not only that, we'll pull it to the left. It should go to the left of the page, and then it's an icon. And which icon do we want? We have an icon gear. There are several icons. You should check the icon page. So we have an icon gear, and that's it. This is enough to give us an icon and some write-up. To make a nice write-up, I'll just put courses here, then I'll put the write-up in between the p tags. We have courses. We have nice courses for your students. Please check out the list of courses that we have for your delight. Alright, so we could go back to our Ratchet page. Remember, we added an icon here in the code. Let's see if it reflects. Then we refresh this page. Cool. So this is an icon gear that reflects courses, and we could do the same for the other lists. Alright, so this kind of makes it more beautiful and easy to build and mobile interface. Alright, let's check the next thing we could do. We could use buttons too, and to use buttons, we just have to come to the next one and start adding the buttons. It's that easy to add a button. This is what we have, more menu, and right in this one I could just list a button. It's so easy. I'll just say button, and class, just call it a button, btn, and what should be there? Default. This is the default button. Let's go check. I've saved it, and refresh. As you can see, we have a button here. Let's put another button with another color right here. So in the next one, I will just put another button with another color. Button class, yes, btn, and we'll specify the attribute that makes it beautiful. You have btn primary, and we could just write primary. And when we refresh, we have primary, but I'm going to have to shift this button to the right so it aligns well with this other one. So we basically pull it to the right. This guy, okay, there is a syntax error here. That's why it appeared awkward. So it's fixed now. So we get back, and remember, the syntax error made it appear this way, but we could just refresh and it's back. There is primary. The other buttons you could use, apart from primary, we could use let me just duplicate. Let's try other buttons. We could use button. We could use positive. could use negative, and so on and so forth. So we have this, and right here for refresh, oops, well, alright, instead of fumbling around, we could just I'll just delete this, and I've just changed this to positive, button positive, button positive. Let's check what positive looks like. Look at it. We could check what negative looks like, and so on and so forth. Negative, and that's it. Alright, check out the next tutorial for the continuation of this Ratchet tutorial. Well, as you can see, we are coming up with a very nice website here for our mobile device of our choice. Thank you very much.